If you've been thinking about upgrading your self-care routine, check this out. The Mazzup Massage Chair brings total comfort right into your home. It's packed with features to help you relax, feel better, and enjoy a little luxury wherever you want. This chair has 14 built-in massage rollers that focus on your neck, back, and even your feet. It feels just like real hands working out the tension after a long day. What's really cool is the 20 preset massage programs. Whether you want a deep pressure, a light stretch, or just something soothing before bed, there's a mode for you. You don't have to figure out settings, just tap and relax. It's like having your own massage therapist at home, no appointment needing. Along with the rollers, this chair also gives you a full body air massage. It gently squeezes and relaxes around your arms, shoulders, hips, legs, and even your feet. It feels amazing and helps with blood flow and muscle recovery. Plus, it has built-in heat in the lower back and calves. That extra warmth helps loosen tight muscles and makes the massage feel even better. It's the kind of comfort that melts stress away. The Mazzup also has 3 zero gravity levels, which basically means you can recline back until your legs are lifted above your heart. This position takes pressure off your spine and helps you fully relax. It's made to fit different body types, so whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in the middle, the chair adjusts to you. It's a smooth, quiet recline, and once you find your spot, you won't want to move. You can choose your massage mode, adjust the strength, and move the chair, all with just a tap. And to really set the mood, you can connect your phone to the Bluetooth speaker built right into the chair. Best part, it comes already assembled. Just unbox it, plug it in, and it's ready to go. If you want real comfort, real relief, and a daily way to unwind, the Mazzup Massage Chair is a game changer. Once you try it, it's hard to imagine life without it.